How to use Facebook Messenger's new encryption feature. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Messengers has updated the end-to-end encryption that gives you a stronger privacy by protecting your chats so only you and the other person can read them. Here is how you can do it. First thing first, open up Messenger app and make sure that you're logged into your account. Then you want to go over to the person or the chat where you want to turn on your encrypted messages. So I'll just go to this chat here. You need to know that it only works on individual chats and not a group chat. Tap on the profile icon or the I button at the top right. Then you want to find the option for a secret chat. Scroll down and you can verify end-to-end encryption here. So go ahead and tap on verify end-to-end encryption. It's going to automatically verify that your chats are end-to-end encrypted. You can also tap on compare keys to see both of your keys are the same or not. And as you can see here, the end-to-end encryption was verified. You can go over to another chat again, tap on the I button, and you'll see the verify the end-to-end encrypted option here on top. You can see how it works and what you have to bear in mind. Tap on OK. And after you've done that, you can enable disappearing messages as well. So it will auto delete text. Go to disappearing messages and you can set it to 24 hours and you should be able to delete your messages right here. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one.